I've made all of our plumbing clients mandated that we use call tracking to the nth degree. And this is because they often tell us, we don't need to track our calls, we're okay. But then the minute that calls dry up, they go like, something's wrong, and we don't have a way to diagnose the problem. It used to be that we would be like, well, do you mind if we use tracking here or there or there? Problem with that is it doesn't give us the full picture. And if you are running your marketing in-house, it's the same problem. What I recommend you do is absolutely put call tracking on every single source you can, so that way you understand the effects that your actions are having. And then you also can go, this one's flagging, but that was only 10% of our leads last month, so it's okay, but we would like to put effort towards it to make it better. What you don't track, you can't make better in the long run anyway.